Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. This is your Pisces horoscope for May 2025, a month of mental expansion, career momentum, and home transformations, as the stars urge you to embrace learning, emotional stability, and long-term planning. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. May brings a focus on communication, education, home life, and career goals. The new moon in Taurus, May 19th, highlights your third house of learning, networking, and new ideas, encouraging fresh starts in communication, writing, or short-term plans. With Mars entering Leo on May 16th, your focus shifts to health, work routines, and daily efficiency, making this a great time to organize your lifestyle and professional tasks. Jupiter enters Gemini on May 25th, kicking off a 12-month cycle of home expansion, emotional growth, and long-term family planning. New moon in Taurus, May 19th. A fresh start in your third house of communication, learning, and networking. This is the perfect time to start a new project, take a course, or reconnect with important contacts. Mars in Cancer until May 16th, Leo after May 16th. Before May 16th, Mars in Cancer energizes your creativity, romance, and passion projects, making it a great time to focus on self-expression. After May 16th, Mars in Leo pushes work and health into focus, encouraging better organization and daily routines. Jupiter enters Gemini May 25. Jupiter moves into your fourth house of home, family, and personal stability, beginning a year-long cycle of domestic expansion, home improvements, and emotional security. Career and finances. May is a great month for learning, networking, and career planning. The new moon in Taurus on May 19th helps you develop better communication strategies and expand professional connections. With Jupiter entering Gemini on May 25th, expect opportunities in real estate, home investments, or working from home. Best dates for career and financial success. May 19th, new moon in Taurus, set new career and learning goals. May 25th, Jupiter enters Gemini, expanding home-based financial opportunities. Relationships. With Venus in Gemini until May 24th, relationships focus on intellectual stimulation, open conversations, and strong communication. When Venus enters Cancer on May 24th, love becomes more romantic, emotionally fulfilling, and centered on family matters. If single, you may meet someone through mutual connections or community gatherings. Best days for love. May 11 to 13, Venus trine Pluto, intensified emotional connections and relationship clarity. May 24, Venus enters Cancer, love shifts toward emotional security and deeper intimacy. Health and well-being. With Mars in Leo after May 16th, prioritize daily structure, physical health, and stress management. The new moon in Taurus, May 19th, is a great time to reset mental clarity, improve communication, and embrace mindful living. Best days for success. May 16th, Mars enters Leo, work and health focus increases. May 19th, new moon in Taurus, communication and learning expansion. May 25th, Jupiter enters Gemini, home and emotional growth begins. What to avoid. May 20th, Mars square Jupiter, avoid overcommitting to new projects or responsibilities. May 24 to 27, Saturn retrograde begins, time to reassess family responsibilities and emotional priorities. May 2025 is a transformative month for Pisces, bringing career momentum, home stability, and personal expansion. With Jupiter in Gemini, this is the beginning of a year filled with home growth, emotional security, and deep connections. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free using the link in the description to align your actions with the cosmic cycles. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.